Starter Kit Microphone User Guide. Before turning on the microphone, make sure the battery is charged and check that the TF card is properly inserted. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the power. To start recording, press the microphone button for 1 second. You will hear a single beep sound and the LED light will flash while recording. Tilt the microphone towards your mouth 1 fist distance away from your mouth when recording. Don't hold it upright. State your name and date for each recording so that your work can be identified on the saved files. Press the microphone button with a short 1 second push again to stop recording. There will be a double beep sound and the LED lights will turn off. Press the power button to play the recording you just made. Press the M key briefly to play the previous audio track. Press the light button to play the next audio track. Press the plus button quickly to increase the volume and the button to reduce the volume. There are a total of 5 volume levels. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn the microphone off when not in use and to save battery power. There is an input for headphones at the base of the microphone so that pupils can listen to their recording without creating sound from the speaker and disturbing others. You can save the recorded files to a PC using a USB cable or by removing the TF card. Teachers need to complete the session details on the recording spreadsheet so that recordings can be found for evaluation. Files can be removed from the TF card once the files have been saved on a PC after sessions are completed periodically or at the end of an academic year so that a permanent record of progress made by students is available for school and Ofsted assessment.